Build a custom neon selfie spot with LED neon. Use a lightweight window screen as the frame and create your neon shapes using craft wire to hold them in place. You can splice the wires on the back for tidiness, but soldering is not necessarily required for this project. Use screw terminals and splitters to plug the neon into power. Thanks for watching. See the full build tutorial on the Adafruit Learning System, and remember to click that subscribe button for more awesome project ideas.